So guys, when I went for a morning walk today, I realized one thing, and that's where I just thought to share that with you as well. Uh, what are the two most important factors for rejection of your proposals by your client, right? If your proposal gets rejected, it feels bad. Now, what are the two most important reasons? And technically, your proposal is not being rejected. As a professional, you are being rejected from your client, right? Because you cannot be a part of the client's business, and that pinches. But have we thought why our proposals get rejected? It's not that everybody's proposal gets accepted. It's somewhere we are making some mistakes. What are those two important things? Or even they are not mistakes, they are actually the reasons for rejection. There will be two reasons for that. What are those two reasons? First reason, and hear it out, it's a very important reason, where your services are of very competitive nature, right? Where client thinks that the same type of services can be availed from other competitor at a lesser price. So pricing and competitiveness, that is the first reason. What is the second reason? The second reason is that you don't add any value to client's business. Am I right or wrong? If you would add any value to client's business, your client will pay you as per the value which you make. But if there's no value addition in that particular service, that is a strategic value addition, why the client will pay you, right? This is where your proposals get rejected. And that is where I have come up with this particular workshop, where I am strategically telling you that how you can capture the TP opportunities. If you have still not registered, my friend, you are at loss. Now let me also make it easy for you. We had we had conducted this webinar, that's the first and second webinar, at 9 rupees only when we started this in June. But as we came to know, and as considering the feedbacks of the people, they got 10x 100x value, and that is where I just thought that let us make this again workshop at 9 rupees only. The entry fees I'm making at 9 rupees only, so that you can enter into this workshop, you can understand the world of transfer pricing, how I see the world of transfer pricing, and how I can strategically help you to conduct, to render that transfer pricing services. This is not a general TP workshop where you're going to understand only the basics of transfer pricing or etc. This is where you're going to understand the business, and that is what we tell upfront also, that this is a strategic transfer pricing workshop. If you are interested, just click on the link, book your seat, because the seats are limited. And if you don't book, it's your loss. You may miss that opportunity, and it's clear cut your loss if you still are not able to understand the strategy part of this entire business. Then my friend, you are at loss. Thank you. I'll see you in workshop.